Wow, it's pretty. Neat! Oh my gosh! Ugh! That'll leave a mark. So embarrassing. But check out all this free stuff! Look! A real cardboard box! Yep, it's transformation time. And I've got a very good idea. A big one! See? Good thing I've got lots of tape. Just one more piece here. There. That was rough, but totally worth it. But that color… Wait. I can just use this thing. Well, a few more than this. Now we're talking. Hey, look. Should I? Hey, these are just perfect! I love it! Not bad, I guess. I need a house of my own. Yes, a house stat. Help me! Yes, I need you too. I'm calling them right now. Alrighty. Hey, this way. Jeez.
Sorry, lady.
Are you?
It's for you.
I'm not touching those. Hey!
Just give me an hour, alright?
Oh, is that necessary?
There, just about finished.
Wow.
Welcome home.
I suppose you want to get paid. Is this enough?
Looks good to me.
Wow, that was hard work. But I'm not done. Wow, a money house! Doesn't it look expensive? And it's all mine. Huh? Come here, honey. Just build it over there, okay? And I want it super fancy. Got it? Are you almost done? I don't know. It looks cheap. I hate it. How about a little gold?
Wow! A real gold brick? Unbelievable!
No. Melt it.
What? But why? That's criminal! I can't believe I'm doing this. I could have been rich, but that will never be. Here it goes. Liquid gold. It sure is pretty, though. Just look at that shine. She definitely has expensive taste.
You're done? Oh, it's magnificent! But it could still use something else.
Wait, I got you. Pink. Here it comes.
Oh, it's so cute! Yay!
Feeling the love, and it's all yours.
A little to the left.
It's perfection. Well…
You earned yourself some gold.
Wow!
Maybe just the one.
Spectacular! Thank you!
So cheap. Just look at all this. And to make it look even more expensive, more gold, baby. Yay! It's perfect. Wait, what about mine? Hello, over here. Whatever. This thing could use a little fresh air. Wait for it. There! A window! Nice! Hey, what's this? It's just the right size, I think. Only one way to find out. Yep. But I ain't done yet. Some outlining makes it nice and bold. Just a tad more. All done! Isn't it great? Hey, you guys! $500 bills? Gross! No way! 1, 2, 3. Fine. Let me think. What's this? A little tube? No, a really big tube. Perfect for a window. Cute, right? Hello out there! This is nice. Come see. I'm a little busy at the moment. Whatever. Help, please? You need me? Ugh. Okay. Lift this with me. Got it? Set it here. Oh, I'm sweating. So not cool. Just a bit further, come on. That's all I need. Bye. Oh, so ungrateful. How hard could this be? You good? Just give me a minute. Ta-da! Isn't it to die for? Soft, too. All done. Hope you like pink. It's not that great. It's better than yours. How dare you! I'll show you who's better! Oh, my pearls! Too bad, so sad. What's going on out there? Hey, stop! Stop! Hey, get out! Okay, okay. Help! We're We're doomed! I found light! Come on, this way! Move! Wait, over there! I don't know about this. Should I? Oh, thank goodness. Ugh, out of my way. Whatever. This is much better. What a relief. Wait, I have an idea. Craft time! But first, I need the right shape. There we go. Check them out. All they need is a little color. Okay, lots of color. Let there be light. Just string them on and you're good to go. So festive, am I right? And I didn't spend a penny. You hear that? Is that supposed to be innovative? I'll show her some bright thinking. Not sure what to do with this. Something better, please? Wow, now we're talking. Nothing shines quite like gold. I'll show you exactly what I mean. Oh yeah. I want them all. Ta-da! But I'm not quite done yet. Never underestimate the details. And just like that, it's ready to hang. Shine bright, baby! It really brightens up the bills, don't you think? It's mediocre at best. I prefer something a little richer. Like these. And yes, they're real. And already on a string. Classy is so the vibe here. And what's classier than real pearls? Isn't it just fantastic? Yay! It's so magical! I'm liking it here. Nice work! How am I supposed to get mail? Let me see. Choices, choices. Definitely not. Hey, that's adorable. Is it here? Oh my! It's really here! And to make it better, some ruby red sparkle, of course. So lovely. Who has plain mailboxes anyway? Super fab. I just have to post this. That dinky thing. Enter opulence. Next. No thanks. Now that's interesting. Hi.
Good day, miss.
Excuse me. What about your payment? Hello? It's not done.
Of course. I forgot the most important part.
Wow. Wait. Where did he go? I'm on my own? No way. It's giving mega rich. Wait. Right. All done. Say wealthy. That's super nice. Maybe I can go shopping too. Or maybe not. See what I mean? Useless. Unless… I'm no stranger to getting creative. Pencil, please. Let's giraffe this bad boy. I'm seeing it. Time to make it real, folks. See what I mean? And just like that, I have a mailbox. No shopping apps, no problem. Yay! Look, I made this. Good job. For a peasant. What's that? Hide! I'm scared. Oh no!
Oh! Good heavens! What's going on in here? Ooh!
We're doomed!
Little houses? Interesting.
Hey, I think we can come out now. That was really close. Hey, I have mail. What is it? Oh no, the exam! Today? Alrighty. I got one too. Bummer. An exam? Piece of cake. I always go to class prepared. Notebooks, assemble. Wow, look at her go. Ah, I got this. Come on, Tears. I'm gonna head out. Wait, can you take the test for us? Please? Okay. I'll help you. Let's go, we're gonna be late.
Hey, I'm your neighbor. Ew! Shoo! Pick a different spot. Your little playhouse has no place here. You can't use this anymore. But that's my home. Not anymore. This land is my property. Huh? What is that? peasants. What did you just call us? I can't wait to build my new mansion here. Wow. Huh? Mansion? Oh, you dropped your jaw, honey. Oh, keep your sign off my property. This is my property. Not anymore. I guess it's hers. Oh, it's not fair. You said it, girl. Clean it up. I'm so hungry. Now, what should I build here? Modern chic? No. That's not bad. Nope. Will you subscribe to help me decide? I'm gonna need professional help.
You rang?
Are you the highest paid engineer in town?
Of course! Would I be wearing gold if I wasn't?
You are hired. Here is the down payment.
Whoa!
I tip generously. I need it done ASAP.
So what am I working with?
Who turned off the lights? Whoa! Oh! Huh? It's just a box. This just gave me an idea. I can make a home out of this box. Look, I made it myself. Oh, you're ridiculous. My home is not gonna be that shabby. Quickly, over here.
Here you go.
Don't come any closer. Here.
Paying up front, I see. Nice doing business with you. I'll start right away. First, I need to lay the bricks down. Then, another layer on top until I build a wall.
Perfect.
I'll be done in no…
Oh, you heard. You know what can fix that? Money.
Hey, that's more like it.
Ooh,
It's done.
not bad. Now, go. Ooh, honey, a cupboard would be this heavy. Huh? What am I gonna do? Oh, I know. A roll of tape will do the trick. Watch me build a house with just tape and a dream.
And that's the last one.
Yeah. Huh? That's it? That is so ugly. You are fired. It is so brown. It needs a sprinkle of gold. I'll grate coin all over the bricks. See that? That's the color we want. A splash of rich gold glitter. Wow! It is finally perfect. But one more thing. The roof needs to be gold too. I'll dip the roller into the paint. Then I'll roll it all over the roof. And there you have it. My very own golden house. What does it even mean? It's upside down. Thanks, I get it now. Now let's see if I can flip this house. Then I'll add a tire here and one on the other side. Awesome! Whoa! Oh, isn't that a bit too much? Over here. Just put it right over this house. Here is something for your work. Oops, do you take checks? Whoa. Wow, a golden bar? I know what to do with you. It can hold up my home for a couple of inches. Home sweet home. Well, I better get right to work. I'll lay the gold bars side by side. Then I'll roll a pin over it to make a shingle. I'll do it a couple of times and voila! A roof made of gold. Classy, isn't it? I'm so excited to decorate. Oh. Huh? No, you don't. Are you kidding me? Stop it! Stay down. Whew. Yeah! That does it! You're gonna stay down whether you like it or not. That That's what you get for making a house out of cardboard. I'll add a window so I don't miss that golden hour.
Hey, I want a window too. I want the fences held,
on my way.
and I want it now. Oh well, any ideas?
A couple.
I just want it expensive.
Say no more. What color do you want for the walls?
Oh, how exciting! They're all so nice, but my heart says only one thing. Pink!
Great choice.
It's perfect! You can just feel how expensive it is.
Only the best materials for you. I can't finish up here without a window. You know what? Make that 2. What do you think?
It's just what I wanted. Bravo! Here is your payment.
Whoa! This can feed me for life.
Bye!
I won't stay put. You leave me no choice. No! Here, take my money. Take it all. Now let's put windows on this thing. Oh, it's gorgeous.
You know what this house is missing? Lights! I'll stick an LED strip below the roof. Pink lights are the way to go.
Haha! Did somebody say lights?
Turn it on! Somebody!
Can't even turn the lights on yourself?
Oh, great! I should call the gardener. Hello?
Yeah?
Oh, come here.
You need plants together? Here's some rare golden palms, all the way from the Amazon.
Wow! Awesome! I'll pay you a generous amount for them. Put it on the card.
Oh, payment accepted. Till next time.
It's all coming together.
Gold plants? She has everything. Maybe I can plant my own. Ew! That's disgusting! Hey, you are used to dirt, right? Can you put soil in the pots?
Oh, sure.
I'll take a handful and drop them in. Your plants are gonna be thriving. You can go now. Hug. At least clean your hands first. Oh, I like them dirty. You did not have to do that. Go be dirty somewhere else. Time to get to work. I may not have gold plants, but I have the prettiest flowers on the block. And that's better than gold. Now all I have to do is put them all around the house. My house is ready for visitors. Huh? What? I want plants too. Good thing I can DIY my way through anything. I'll put a sponge in this box. Then I'll stick these cardboard flowers in it. It's looking more like a garden, isn't it? Wow! This seems like a good spot. All done, but I know what is missing. I lay a cardboard flat. Then I'll draw a bulb on it using a pen. Now I'll color it with a permanent marker, and voila! We have a bulb. But one is not enough for me. I have to make them in different colors. That way, my tiny home will be colorful. It's beautiful! Check this out! I know what we're missing. A fence. Nothing beats a good old white picket fence. It's gonna look so good with the roses. Now, this is what I call a home. She probably will notice if I take a piece. I'll give it back before she knows it. All I need to do is trace it on the cupboard. And we're done with phase 1. Thanks! That turned out pretty well. You can't even tell the difference. Pretty cute, huh?
You mean pretty awful. Thanks for showing me what not to do.
You want a fence, madam?
Gold. Install it.
As you wish. That'll be 10 grand.
Do you take gold?
Boy, do I?
Just take it.
All right, no take backs.
Bye.